Hello everyone, welcome to Gadgets and Widgets YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about how to enable dark mode in Facebook. For that you will need to open your browser in your PC. I have Google Chrome installed in my desktop. You can also use the Microsoft Edge, which is default browser of Windows. So now I will open my Google Chrome browser. So as you open your Google Chrome browser or any browser, you will need to open the facebook.com. You can enter the URL, or if you have opened your Facebook earlier, then you will see tabs like this. I will enter facebook.com for you guys. Then you will need to press enter key and it will open the Facebook login page. Here you can enter your email address and password, then click on login button to open your account. I will do the process. So I have entered my email address and password correct. You need to be sure if your password and email address is correct or not. After you are sure, then you need to click on the login button. This will log in your account. So you can see my Facebook account is the classic version. It is difficult for me to use this brighter version of Facebook. I use most of the Facebook in darker rooms, and for that I need a dark mode from very beginning, but finally Facebook has given dark mode in newer version. So this is the classic version. For upgrading to a newer version, you need to go to this account tab. You need to click on this, and from the drop down option you will see switch to new Facebook option. You will need to click on that option and your Facebook will be upgraded to the newer version. So this is the newer version of Facebook. Now for enabling the dark mode, you just need to go to the same account option. You will see the drop down, and from the drop down option you will get the dark mode option with toggle button. You will need to click on the toggle button so that your Facebook goes dark mode. So I will gonna click this dark mode toggle button. So this is the dark mode of Facebook. The Facebook first tab is also dark, and it will be easier for me to sort videos over the night. So if you want to go back to the brighter version, you just need to disable the dark mode by turning off the toggle button like this, but I prefer my dark mode. You can also switch to classic Facebook if you don't like this newer version of the Facebook. This is how easily it can be enabled in the computer browser. So before making this video, I have already written a post related to this, how to enable dark mode in gadandwidth.com. You can check the gadandwidth.com website for the tech reviews and how to stop. So I have uploaded how to enable dark mode article already, and you can see more details in the website. I have written it step by step, so you can check our gadandwidth website, and you can also subscribe to the notification. If we post any new content, it will ping a notification in your device. So this much for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming how-to videos. Also like the video and comment down. Thank you for watching the video.